Hello, I'm Phil from AA Window Cleaning, and I'm going to do an unboxing video from something I bought from a company called MStore. They do all protective stuff, your face, your hands and your eyes, and some other bits and bats. So, inside this lovely style shoebox, I got some sunglasses in the sun case, Risini, Polarized, and I got some waterproof gloves. Come back to those. So, I'm not sponsored. They don't know I'm doing this. It's just my out of the box review. Yeah. So they do glass eyewear, gloves, and face protection. All different types of gloves. And comes with a leaflet and a 20% code. Yeah, so going back to the eyewear, UV 400, anti-scratch, anti-fog, anti-moisture, which is all good. Sometimes sunglasses can steam up inside depending on the environment, but comfy, lightweight, just what I wanted. I wanted them polarized. Obviously I'm forever looking up at the sky, and I wanted it a bit darker, because as soon as water hits the glass and it's a really sunny day, the glass is so shiny, can't see what I'm doing. Annoyed me the other day. So I went on the hunt for some workwear sunglasses, polarized, make things darker. These should do the job. We shall give them a trial tomorrow. And then we went for some waterproof gloves. I got the 10XXL. I thought I had big hands. The gloves are saying otherwise because they're massive. So I'll go a size smaller next time. But comfy. Comfy, waterproof, nice grip protection. Slightly too big, but there we go, just what I wanted. The thing about the gloves is with my hands, I get all the carbon from the poles in my hands. My hands are black, so you'll always see me in gloves. So I always have white hands, suntan to high heaven. There we go. That's my review. Ordered Sunday, came Tuesday. Thank you, Raw Mail. Thanks for the quick postage, MStore. I shall be back. My little unboxing review. And that's a wrap.